Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to manage multiple assignees on one task in Asana, your complete 2025 guide. First up, log into your Asana account and open up the task you want to assign. Now within the task, you'll find an assignee field. Here's the kicker. Asana doesn't traditionally allow multiple assignees. That's because tasks can get lost in the shuffle when too many hands are on deck. But don't worry, we've got some workarounds for you. Firstly, you can create subtasks and assign each one to a different team member. To do this, click on the Add Subtask button, name it, and assign it to a team member. This helps us because it breaks down the main task into manageable parts, ensuring everyone knows their individual responsibilities. Next up, we have task collaborators. These are people who need to stay in the loop but aren't directly responsible for the task. To add collaborators, click on the task's share icon, then type in the person's name. This is vital as it ensures everyone involved is kept updated on the task progress. Let me explain why these alternatives are better than multiple assignees. When you assign multiple people to a task, there's a risk of the everyone's problem is no one's problem syndrome. By splitting the task or using collaborators, you ensure clear responsibility and accountability. Now that we've done that, keep in mind that communication is key. Use the comments section within the task to keep everyone aligned. The reason we do this is to provide a space for questions, updates, and feedback. If you still need to visually represent multiple assignees, consider using custom fields. These can be created by clicking on the Fields button and then Manage Custom Fields. Here you can create a drop-down list of all the assignees. While not a direct way to assign tasks, this provides a visual cue of who's involved in the task. Finally, remember to use the project timeline or calendar view to keep track of everyone's tasks. This helps us because it gives an overview of who's doing what and when, helping to manage workloads and prevent bottlenecks. And that's it, a practical guide on how to manage multiple assignees on one task in Asana, using subtasks, collaborators, comments, custom fields, and calendar views. Remember, the goal is not to assign many people to one task, but to ensure everyone knows their role and is kept in the loop. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.